just this one.
Nah.
Sure.
A big tub price to move. That's good.
Yeah, I'm like, I want them gone.
Froggy flips.
Christopher's got, so our July is completely shot. Yeah. The last 2 weeks, Dana and I are gone.
Hi. Got 3 of these.
Okay.
Right.
$1.
Thank you so much.
This is a lot of extra, you know, we really don't need this, though.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How much you have on the Pokemon books?
$1.
Okay. I owe you.
Somebody that likes Pokemon.
Me.
Oh, you?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yep. I owe you 3.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Very much.
Have a good day.
Uh-huh, you too.
Is that for sale, that Darth Vader? Or was that
Yes.
just in there? Let's see what that was. Oh, okay, it's a newer one, isn't it?
Yeah.
He looked old for a second.
Oh,
Thought I'd
yeah,
ask.
yeah, yeah.
All right, thank you so much.
Uh-huh.
I don't think it's gonna rain until like later, so.
Oh, I think you're going to be safe.
Yeah, the one asked if no rain, the second asked if some sun would be down.
I'm gonna grab your Monopoly game.
Oh, sure.
There you go.
Awesome.
Thank you so much.
My hate for Monopoly is higher than my love for Disney.
I hate to play Monopoly, but I love sealed Monopoly board games.
Awesome.
Perfect. Yeah, I'm brand new. So.
Right, exactly. All right, thank you. Oh, that's fine.
Una función ahí, segundo.
I'll grab your Pikachu.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Oh, Pikachu. Oh.
Rosie, you need a hand?
And I don't have any of the clothes on. So that, if you want to put up with that.
I guess maybe 5 or 6.
I don't think I have any going down that low, but let me, no, I think I started like 10, 12.
Okay.
I do, and I have not gotten those out yet. Oh, you know what? I may have sold all the goblets. Let me take a look. Now that you say that, I thought, you know what? I think I sold all the goblets already. But let me take a look. Yeah, I have.
But thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Sorry.
Oh, no, you're
I was
good.
gonna say rummage through whatever. I'm
Right
trying
on.
to keep up here.
Got a big pile here.
Yep, no, that's all right. Just let me know when you're
All right, let me add it up.
good. Yeah, I wasn't sure how to like divide things up or cut.
Oh,
Sometimes
just-
people just want a big lot.
Yeah, a big tub of stuff is good for me.
Because, and I'm like, and the
It's fun to look through later.
well, right. Well, and I can't guarantee on the transform. Or you know what? I have actually 2 more. I find them and just saw them.
Okay.
Think about what. And this is the part where I'm like, oh, I tried to make sure I had everything ready. There they are.
Oh, cool. All right. 25.
Yeah, my son goes, how much you gonna mark those for? Like, how much each? I said, I'm not doing each. I'm like, if somebody really wants to separate
Right.
them, if some kid comes along and is like, can I have just this one?
Yeah.
Sure.
A big tub, price to move. That's good.
Yeah, I'm like, I want them gone. He just, I mean, he's almost 13. We've transitioned out
Right.
of that. Like, some stuff I kept, some sentimental, but I'm like, dude, we gotta clean room. I can't. A little more, maybe if you didn't play with it.
Right.
I'm pretty sure all the pieces are there. He's a pretty good kid about that.
I think I owe you $57.75, so like 58. Is that
Sure,
does that sound right?
sure. I trust you because I'm.
There you go. And you can just keep that. Don't worry
Are
about
you
it.
sure?
Yeah, we're good.
Oh, yeah. I was gonna say I've got one.
No,
Do you
it's okay.
want? I don't have a box, but I can help you. I guess. I don't worry.
I have a tub actually. Let me just grab my tub.
sure,
I'll put it all in there. Thank you.
I'll just make sure that none of it moves.
Right on.
Work out for everybody. Make it work out for everybody.
Thank
You
you.
do have the perfect tub.
Yeah, I go work.
I do believe all those little pieces are there.
Okay.
Did the best I could.
It works for me. I'm excited.
Yeah. I was gonna say, I'll carry it.
Oh, okay, sure. Thank you. Hop right there and I'll do some
There you
rearranging.
go.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Good luck. Thank you too. All right, so we are back in the garage, and what a fantastic day of garage sales. It's kind of funny though, it was one of those days where I thought it was a horrible day. I walked in the house after I was done. Sarah always asked me how it went, and my response was not good. That was until I started going through the kind of big haul, sorting and separating and researching and comping, and then I realized that it was probably one of my better hauls for a long time. Like, I was truly shocked. So real quick, let me show you some of the stuff I picked up. First of all, one of the very few remaining types of electronics I still like to pick up are MP3 players. Oddly enough, sitting on a table at that first sale were 3 of these new old stock SanDisk Clip Jam 8GB MP3 players for $1 a piece. Like I said, they're all new old stock, and they should sell for between like $35 and $45 a piece. I'm guessing realistically around $35, so $3 into a little over $100. And then there were a couple more sales with some cheaper Pokemon items. 3 of the adventure books and this Pikachu plush. These will all be booth items, like $4 or $5 a piece on the books and 10 or so on the plush. No big deal at all. And then here is the bulk of the mega haul. This was honestly just going with my gut, instantly regretting that I bought all this, and then being pleasantly surprised when I really started diving in and seeing what was here. I think I paid $64 total. I didn't see that until after I turned off the camera, and that was $4. So that brought the total up to $64. And it's no secret that the main thing I enjoy dealing in are vintage toys. I don't really have a connection to more of the modern stuff, which is what we're seeing here. But I've picked up certain Halo things before, and they've just done really well. Those were the first thing I found. All this other stuff looked like it had maybe a little more quality than what you would see at most garage sales. So I just started piling it up, and man, am I glad I did. So there's a lot here, and I've already done like hours of organizing and researching, and I'm still not through it all. So I'm going to try to rapid fire some comps for you and kind of tell you what I've learned so far, and you'll kind of get the idea about what that $65 could potentially become. So over here, these are a bunch of Leonard Rampage figures from the Rampage movie. Had no clue what they were, but I saw that like the mouths were kind of articulating and stuff, and the quality just seemed a little better than average. So I went ahead and grabbed them. I mean, they were prices like $3 and $4 and $1. But what I found so far, this 16-inch George here, he can sell in this condition for like 50 to 75 bucks. The smaller 8-inch George with the articulating mouth can sell for about 40 bucks or so. The articulating Ralph Wolf can sell for around, I think, 40 or 50 or so. This little stationary George can sell for about 30 bucks on his own. There are a couple figures here that are, I mean, they're basically Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. I'm not sure what his character name was in Rampage, but there's 2 of those which sell for about 20 bucks on their own. Or I saw listings of these 2 guys here as a lot selling for like 70 bucks, which is pretty crazy. This is another Rampage guy with his weapon. Here's some various accessories from Rampage. These are all accessories from Rampage right here. So already just on the Rampage stuff, we're like several times our money. There's all this Halo stuff, which I don't even know what this is worth yet, but I've always done well with Halo stuff. There's quite a collector's market for it. This giant, I think it's the Warthog, though, from Halo with the figure inside, complete with the gun and everything. I think this has comps for about 85 bucks, maybe closer to 100 on its own. I think all 3 of these figures came in a bag, and I saw the Dr. Octopus inside. This is a Marvel Legends Doc Ock. He's missing a couple of the pieces from his tentacles. This is a pretty desirable figure that seems to have comps for 70 bucks or so in this condition. This guy's made by Schleich. I think he has comps in the $20 range. Not sure on the Hulk, not sure on this guy. There was a big bag of army type figures. It had these in it, and it had these in it. These are the cheap ones that I don't think have much value. These, it turns out, are BBI 1/18th scale Elite Force figures. A bunch of accessories, helmets, and weapons. These seem to have pretty good comps, like at least like 10 or 15 bucks per, or you know, like maybe a lot up for 50 or 60. Even the dog has comps for close to 20, I think. And then as crazy as all that is, the craziest part was the bucket of Transformers. These are all modern Transformers. It was $25 for the entire bin. And they were all just kind of like jammed in there together. Had no clue what was in there. As much as I like vintage toys, even vintage Transformers are a pain for me to deal with. They're just so hard to identify and match up with their accessories. The modern stuff is no different. I spent a lot of time going through this so far, but I think it was worth it. Everything in bags is what I've separated and made complete and identified and comped. And then there's still quite a few under there, pieces and parts and stuff that needs to be put together. There may still be some stuff down in there that's decent, I don't know. But let me show you so far what I've pulled out of this $25 bin. We have the Age of Extinction one-step lockdown, which should sell for between 10 and 15 bucks. And then we have the Studio Series 09 Thundercracker that should sell for around 30 bucks. The Studio Series 47 high tower constructed con that should sell for between 40 and 45 bucks used. The Studio Series 45 Drift complete with accessories that should sell for between 35 and 40 bucks. Titan's Return Scourge and Fracas with accessories that should sell for around 20 or so. Studio Series 49 Bumblebee should sell for around 15 to 20. Studio Series 59 Shatter should sell for around 40 to 50. Dark of the Moon Skyhammer with accessories should sell for around 30 to 35. Studio Series 08 Blackout with accessories should sell for around 65 bucks or so. Last Night One Step Berserker should sell for around 10 to 15 bucks. Studio Series 34 Megatron complete with Igor should sell for around 30 to 50 bucks. Even Igor sells by himself for like 20 bucks. This Grimlock should sell for between $100 and $115 loose and used like this, which is absolutely crazy. And then best of all, we have the Studio Series 44 Optimus Prime. This one is not complete. It does have some accessories. This is a very high-end figure, it appears. But I did see one loose with no accessories, just the figure by itself, sell for 140 bucks. This one has a handful of accessories. So I'm thinking at least 140, 150 just for this one guy right here. And this all came out of the $25 Transformers bin, and there's still that much left to go through. So I definitely learned a valuable lesson with modern Transformers. I honestly had no clue that there could be that much value, not to mention all this other stuff that just kind of makes this $64 haul like literally blow my mind. Absolutely nuts. And then I actually forgot about the box full of animals here. This old Toys R Us shark that I think sells for 15 or 20 bucks. The Schleich dolphin, probably another 15 or 20. The Schleich whale, 15 or 20. The battle cat that sells for like 15. Schleich stingray, probably 10 or 12. Crazy, absolutely crazy. So yeah, I'd much rather have a day that I thought was a bad day and then realize it was a great day, because more often what happens is you think you had a great day and it turns out to be kind of eh. So that's all I got for you this time. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching the video, but until next time, stay safe, stay healthy. Love ya. Bye. When they hear that cha-ching and they all look at me, I guess they'll know I'm buying this crap.